Thank you for viewing this video regarding new username creation for the Pacific College Student Portal. Today we are going to cover creating your initial username and password in order to access the Student Portal, which is going to hold all of your important information regarding your tenure here at Pacific College, such as attendance, grades, course schedule, and anything else that may be pertinent to you in the coming years. The first thing that you're going to want to do is open up a web browser on your computer. Now, whether you're using a PC or a Mac, I prefer using Google Chrome. You can also use Safari if that is your preferred web browser. Once the web browser is open, you're going to want to go up to the URL bar, and you are going to want to type in the web address portal.pacificcollege.edu and hit enter. And you will notice you come to a landing site where there are 4 different links. The link that you are concerned with as a student here at Pacific College is going to be the first top link labeled Student Portal Homepage. So you will go ahead and click that link and it will bring you to a login page with a username and password. Now, seeing as you've never logged in before to this site, we will need to create a new account. So the link below the password is a link that says create new account. So you'll go ahead and click that and it will bring you to the new account creation screen. Now you will notice it is going to ask you for 3 pieces of information, one being the social security number, one being the first name, and one being the last name. The reason that we need to ask for this information is we need to match you up in our database in order to make sure that the record is flowing correctly to your student portal. So at this point, I am going to go ahead and enter my information. Now, you will not be able to see this due to security reasons, but just make sure that you're following the format of the security number that's listed next to the box, with the 3 digits, with the dashes, the 2 digits, dash, and the last 4 digits for your social. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. Now, keep in mind when you are doing this, please use your full legal name that you have put on your initial application to Pacific College, or else it will not match the record in the database. So once you have all that information entered, go ahead and click the next button, and it will ask you to verify your email address. So this is going to be the email address that you initially put on your application if you are a brand new student entering the college, or if you are a continuing student at Pacific College, it will be your Pacific College email. So if the information displayed to you is correct, you will hit yes. If you get an error message, you may need to go back and re-enter some of the information regarding the social security number, your first name or last name, in order to match it correctly with the database. If you're having problems with this initially, please contact the help desk and someone will be in touch with you in order to help that. So, if you do get this screen where it says your record was successfully located, this is where we will enter our username and password. Now, this can be any username that you would like. It does not have to be your first name, middle initial, last name, or anything of the sort. It will just be something that you will not forget. If for some reason you do forget your username or password at any point, you can simply email the help desk and someone will be in touch with you and either reset the password or look up your username in order to access this information and the portal. In this case, I'm just going to use, seeing as we're just doing a test, I'm going to use the username test and I'm going to enter a password. Once all this information is filled out, you will simply hit submit. Also, if a username has been already taken by another student, you may need to enter a new username. So in this case, I will just use test1. And I will hit submit. If it does accept your username, the screen will pop up and it will say an authentication email has been sent to the email address in the previous screen. The email address that you will receive in your inbox will look very similar to this. Once you do receive this email, all you will have to do is click on this link to activate your account. Once that is complete, it will bring you right back to the Student Portal login page like you see here. You will use your username and password and you should successfully be entered into the Student Portal. Again, if you run into any problems with usernames, passwords, or simply getting through some of these steps, or if for some reason you do not receive the authentication email, please contact the help desk immediately and someone will be in touch with you. Again, the help desk email at each campus will be support-ch, support-ny, or support-sd@pacificcollege.edu. Thanks for viewing this.